Let's have a heart to heart, about fasting. I just did the gap fasting today, alive, and the difference between men and women. And if you've been scrolling through wellness forums, you're probably seeing the go hard or go home mentality, 24-hour fast, the water fasts, black coffee only, pushing through the hunger at all costs. And here's the truth. Most of that advice was designed by men, for men, and I don't have a problem with men. I'm married to one, but our bodies and systems are different. Women work on a 28-day cycle, and men work on a 24-hour circadian rhythm cycle. And our bodies are very sensitive to signs of scarcity. When we go hard with aggression fasting, our systems don't see a health trend, they see famine, and your body goes into a huge stress mode. Today I want to talk about why the aggressive approach usually backfires for us and how to use a gentler, more authentic strategy that actually supports your hormones instead of fighting them. Let's look at the science with the hormones versus the stress. So the women, we have more progesterone and estrogen, and men have a whole heap of testosterone. Our hormones, especially, those that regulate our cycles and the thyroid, are a delicate internal thermostat. If we don't eat, and I noticed when I was fasting too hard as well, I crashed and I got very cold. And if you do it for too long or too often, we spike our stress hormone called cortisol, which is highest in the morning, and glucose levels are quite high in the evening as well. High cortisol tells you that your body, needs to hang on to fat because it thinks it might be pregnant and protecting you. Back in the cavemen days, that's what happened. It holds on to the fat and shut down non-essential things like a regular cycle, your periods, or a happy mood. Sometimes it can make you a bit loopy. And if you've tried fasting and ended up feeling wide but tired, or noticed your hair thinning or falling out, or you actually felt you wanted to eat everything in the pantry by 4 p.m., that's not lack of willpower. That's your body's survival mechanism saying, I need to eat more, and it's kicking in, and I need to have it now. Survival mode. In the Happy Gut Hub in my school community, which the link will be in the description and a QR code at the end of the video as well. I focus on body positivity as well as fasting and nurturing ways to use fasting as a tool for rest, not a tool for punishment. I'm doing fasting 13-11, which is gentler for me because I'm 50 now. For those who are over 40, huge fast, I don't know, I don't recommend them. If it works for you, it does. But for me, it didn't. It caused me a lot of anxiety and I couldn't sleep. So what does gentle fasting look like? For most women, I recommend starting with the 12-hour overnight window. So that's 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. at night, nothing after 6. If you finish dinner at 7, you don't need to eat again until 7 a.m., like I just said, to the 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. It sounds basic, but give your gut the time it needs to clean out itself without sending your hormones into a frantic panic. From there, we listen to our bodies. You always got to listen to your body. Like the week before your period, you might need to skip fasting altogether or just drop it back to 12-12. You can't go in hard. It's not good. And that isn't failing. That is, being an expert on your own body biology and listening intuitively. Like I tell my clients, listen to your body intuitively. I'm asking you to listen to your body. Everyone tells me that I've spoken to, that in my circle, they say, listen to your body as well. And we want to work with our natural rhythms, using food as nourishment and medicine as it's meant to be. If you're tired of all or nothing approach and want to learn how fast and how to fast in a way that actually feels good come join my Gut Hub community. It's a nurturing online community because I don't like social media anymore. I think it's very hater orientated and very surface level most of the time. And I put together some gentle strategies for fasting and hormonal and weight loss in the Happy Gut Hub that prioritize your peace and your health over perfect protocols. Click the link in description to join me and my community, and let me know in the comments, have you ever felt like fasting was a struggle? And let's talk about it together, and I'll see you in the next video, and I hope this helped. Like and subscribe, don't forget. Peace. If you enjoyed this video, come check out my school community, Happy Gut Hub, and like and subscribe for more. Bye. Hi everyone, here's my QR code below for school. SKOOL, Happy Gut Hub. Thanks.